Okay, old goats, we're going to go ahead and show you how to get what is it? Google Play Store onto your Amazon. I don't know. This is a 8, so I guess it's a whatever. It's a tablet from Amazon. This is the 8-inch, whatever it is. So so you're going to want to go to your settings. Oops. And then you're going to want to scroll down to security and privacy. And then on that, you just scroll down to apps from unknown sources. Turn that on because we're going to install some apps from unknown sources. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to go into the App Store. And we're going to go ahead and hit search. And then you're going to type in, I don't know, what was the name of the one we installed? We'll just type in File Commander. And you could install that, but we installed the ES File Explorer because we liked it a little bit better. The reviews and how many people went to it, we did seem to think that would be a better option. You might not even need it. We're thinking we might need a Windows Explorer or File Explorer, so just go ahead and download that and install it. You don't need to go to it yet, though. It's just nice to have it there. Okay, with that downloaded, we're going to want to go back to our thing, and then we're going to want to open up the browser. Yep. And from the browser, we're going to want to type, I think it's APK Mirror. And I'm not sure. I think I used to know APK is kind of like Application Kit or something like that. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But I'm just going to search it quick. And there we go, APK Mirror by Android Police. So it is APK Mirror. So this is the one we're looking for over here, which is a sister site to Android Police. So being that it's the same as this one, we're going to say it's the correct one. I haven't been to this site for a while. Okay, so on here, we're going to search for some things. And the first thing we're going to need to do is the Google Account Manager. So we'll find out how to do this here. Google, oops, I guess typed too much. And there we go. Okay, and on this, you're gonna, since this was built on an older, I can't even remember the name of it still. I don't know, an older Droid OS. We're going to want to use this older account manager for this. It's the 5.1-17 blah 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 blah. Just basically, it's the oldest one listed on their site. And then we're going to, because it's Android 5.0. Download it. And yeah, we understand it can cause harm to us, but we're going to trust it because of the site. And just going to install. And app installed successfully, so we're good there. Turn this off to the side a little bit here so you guys can see it a little bit better. The next thing we need is Google Service Framework. So we're going to get back up to the top here somehow. Okay, there we go. And Google Service Okay, I'm wanting the 5.1.174 again. 5.1.174. Oh, wait a minute. Did I? You want to download 5.1.1? Okay. Well, sweet. I guess. Oh no, no. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Just download. Okay, let's just go ahead and open that because I think we're supposed to install this too. There we go. Okay. And the next up is Google Play Services. This is the app that will allow us to install other stuff, but you have to have the first two in there first. So we're going to Google. Oh no 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 no. Google. Oh my goodness, I can't type. No. Seriously. Okay, we'll just try it again because it's not gonna. Nope. And okay, so we're looking for an older one that is it going to tell me which one to download? No, it's not. So we need an older one. So I don't see one for 5.1, but I see one for 5.02. So it should be fairly close. It'll update to the most recent, I think. Okay, I see available APKs. And what's the difference between them? Release, improve, release. Okay, this is the 5.0. Which is the version of what did I do? Did I do something wrong? I might have did something wrong. Download APK. There we go. Yeah, you need to close that tab. I don't know what that tab is. Okay. We're going to hit OK. Then we're going to hit Open. And we're going to hit Install. And it says it was installed. Now we got one more app, or APK, to install. And the final app is the actual Google Play Store app, which is what we need for to get our YouTube and stuff. Oops, Play Store. And this one should be compatible no matter what. Like, it shouldn't matter which one of these we download, because it should all work, because they made this file backwards compatible. So, at least they should have. Google Play Store. I don't know. So it's Wear OS and Android TV. Okay. Just click on this. download the APK. And there we go. It's downloading. Then we open. And do you want this application? Yeah, we want it to install. Okay, app installed. Alright, now we should be able to open it. And see how it says for us to sign in? Make sure when you're downloading, make sure that the Google Account Manager is for 5.1. Yeah, the Google Services Framework is for 5.1. I think Google Play Services were like 18 point whatever. It just use the newest one, it's fine. Google Play Store, I think it was like 15 point something. We're again the newest one. And then you just install them. And if you screw up, just go back in, research it out, re-download the file, install it, and then install every file after it, you know, in sequence, because there's only 4 files. So, I mean, you can't screw it up too bad. I mean, worst case scenario, it doesn't work. So, I mean, if you mess up, you know, and it doesn't work and it doesn't load, then, you know, obviously you did something wrong. So, that's what I did. I did something wrong, so I had to go back through and redo it. So anyway, you can see I'm now here at the Play Store. So I can, you know, type in YouTube, and I can now install YouTube onto my Fire tablet. I can also put Chrome browser on here if I wanted to, which I do because I seem to like Chrome better. But as you can see, she's installing straight off the, you know, Google Play. Right there. It's Google Play. See, it's just straight from the Play Store. We can go back and we'll prove it to you. We don't need that stuff. We need this right here. Okay, we're going to go back, you know, in our 2 little apps here, and we're going to do the, you know, Google Play. And right there, it opens. Okay, so we're going to go over here, we're going to go, you know, YouTube Studio, TubeBuddy, Chrome, everything is going to work. So, I mean, there's no excuse just because you have a Fire tablet that you can't actually have YouTube, because you can see it works, and it works fairly easily, and doesn't take but a couple minutes. I mean, right here, boom, there's a video I want to watch. It's from the Buckeye Boys, so we'll go ahead and get that started. Right there it is, nice and easy, no problems. Anyway, we'll put the link to you know, we'll put a link down to the tablet down below in the description. You know, if you've been holding off on a Fire tablet because you can't get YouTube on it or something, I've proven to you that you can. I mean, this is a Fire tablet. I don't know, does it say that on there somewhere? I mean, you could see by the screen that it was definitely the Fire operating system, but right there you go, Amazon and YouTube playing. So no reason why you can't watch YouTube on a Fire tablet. Just takes a little bit of work. And look at them Buckeye Boys, they're sitting there playing a guitar. Anyway, we'll catch you all later. Bye.